Lucky tone, feel the music. Introducing the ultimate fusion of style and functionality, the 2-channel Bluetooth wall amplifier. Crafted with precision and innovation, this amplifier boasts seamless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream your favorite tunes from any compatible device with just a tap. Fine-tune your audio experience with the intuitive volume control knob, giving you precise command over your sound environment. Control it all from the palm of your hand with the included remote control. No more hassle with cords and cables, simply plug in your USB or SD card to access your entire music library directly. Connect effortlessly to external devices using the auxiliary input and line-out ports, giving you versatility and convenience like never before. With the built-in linkage trigger doorbell feature, you'll never miss a visitor while immersed in your favorite music or audio. Lucky tone, feel the music.